Vehicle on a bank road. Speed limits. We will see upper speed limit. Figure shows the vertical section of a vehicle on a bank road. Now this normal reaction n is divided into two components, that is n cos theta and n sin theta. This is vertical component, this is horizontal component. We know that the equation for most safe speed v equal to square root of rg tan of theta. And for upper speed limit, let v2 be the upper speed limit. v2 is greater than root of r into g into tan of theta. Here upper limit, and that's why v2 is greater than this most safe speed. And we also write like this, that is m v2 square upon r is greater than this component, that is n sin of theta. Now observe this equation, that is this m v2 square upon r is greater than n sin theta. This n sin theta and this m v2 square upon r, that is centrifugal force, is greater than this n sin of theta. If this force is greater, then force of friction is towards the curve, and that's why this is the direction of force of friction. Force of friction is also divided into two components, that is Fs cos theta and Fs sin of theta. Now from this we can write the equations for it is, that is n sin theta and this Fs cos theta both are parallel to each other, add each other, and therefore these both component balances the centrifugal force, that is mv2 square upon r in this equation. Write down equation number first, that is mv2 square upon r equal to, that is n sin theta plus Fs cos theta, n sin theta plus Fs cos of theta. This is equation number first. And now this component Fs sin theta and this mg both are parallel to each other, add each other, that is mg plus Fs sin theta balances this n cos of theta, and therefore we can write mg plus Fs sin theta equal to n cos theta. mg plus Fs sin theta equal to, this is n cos theta, n cos of theta. Rearrange this equation, that is here only mg equal to this n cos theta as it is, n cos of theta, and this Fs sin theta goes towards the right side. We can write minus Fs sin of theta, that is equation number second. Divide equation 1 by equation 2, we will get, that is mv2 square upon r divided by mg equal to, that is n sin theta plus Fs cos theta divided by this n cos theta minus Fs sin of theta. For maximum possible speed, substitute force of static friction equal to mu s into L in above equation, that is here is Fs, here is also Fs. Put Fs is equal to mu s into N in this equation. mm gets cancelled, therefore here left side is v2 square divided by rg equal to, that is n sin of theta plus Fs, that is mu s into N into cos of theta divided by n cos theta minus Fs, that is mu s into N into sin of theta. Now divide numerator and denominator by n cos theta. then we will get that is V2 square upon Rg equal to n sin theta plus mu s n into cos of theta divided by this n cos theta minus mu s n into sin of theta divide n cos theta and here divide n cos theta. Now we will get V2 square upon Rg equal to this n gets cancelled, sin theta upon cos theta, that is tan of theta, plus this mu s as it is n cos theta gets cancelled here, that is mu s divided by this n cos theta gets cancelled, that is 1 minus mu s, when n gets cancelled, sin upon cos, that is tan of theta, and therefore V2 square is equal to Rg into bracket tan theta plus mu s upon 1 minus mu s tan of theta. Now take square root on both sides, that is V2 equal to square root of Rg into bracket tan of theta plus mu s upon 1 minus mu s tan of theta. And this is the upper speed limit of a vehicle on a bank road. For upper speed limit, that is V2 max equal to V max, that is maximum speed, equal to square root of Rg tan of theta plus mu s upon 1 minus mu s tan of theta. Now for maximum value V max equal to infinity. When it will become infinity? When denominator becomes 0. And when denominator becomes 0, when 1 minus this complete term equal to 1, that is this is tan of theta, then mu s equal to 1 upon tan theta. 1 upon tan theta, that is cot theta. If we put mu s equal to cot of theta, then V max equal to infinity. But mu s equal to maximum value of mu s is 1, and therefore if we put here 1, then theta, what is the value of theta? That is tan theta equal to 1, for which angle? That is theta is equal to 45 degree, and therefore tan 45 equal to 1. In this way, at that time V max also equal to, that is equal to infinity.